everyone! Today, let's draw and color the Toy Story characters. Let's draw the Woody here. Woody is a cowboy doll who's the leader of the toys. Can you imagine being a cowboy like him? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Then, let's draw Jessie. Jessie is a spunky cowgirl who loves to yodel and dance. Do you know any cowboy moves? Have you seen the Toy Story movie? I love it. Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. And I'm drawing Slinky Dog. Who is your favorite character from the Toy Story? Slinky Dog is a loyal friend who stretches and bounces around like a spring. How fun would it be to play with him? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Finally, let's draw Bulleye. Bulleye is a speedy and spirited horse who's always ready for a ride. Giddy up! Time to add some color. Pinky, bring on the color. Every one of them looks fantastic. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.